England Tour of India 2025, 5th T20 at Wankhede Stadium, Mumbai. England won the toss, elected to field first. India 20 overs, 247 runs, 9 wicket lost. India team best scorer Abhishek Sharma, 54 balls, 135 runs. Then England team best bowling spell Brydon Cars, 4 overs, no maiden, 38 runs, 3 wickets. England team 10.3 overs, 97 runs, all out. England team best scorer Philip Salt, 23 balls, 55 runs. Then India team best bowling spell Mohammad Shami, 2.3 overs, no maiden, 25 runs, 3 wickets. India won by 150 runs. Player of the match Abhishek Sharma. Player of the series Barun Chakraborty. India won the 5-match T20 series against England 4-1. Congratulations, India cricket team.